Hi everybody, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with a great gift idea for the griller in your life. It's called the GasWatch App-enabled barbecue tank scale. You know, there's nothing more frustrating than having a barbecue and realizing that you've run out of propane on your propane-powered grill. Well, this item, under $40, can kind of keep things in check so you know exactly what's going on. And because it's Bluetooth enabled, you can put it on your phone and the app will communicate with your phone. Now, this is the GasWatch right here. It's a little ring that you place the propane tank right over the top of. What's important is you have to calibrate it, and propane tanks do differ in weight. On average, they're 16.6 pounds, and you can see on the app that once you know the size, you set it and it knows what you're putting on there. So we're going to select that, and it's going to focus on that, and it's going to show you what's in the tank. So right there, it says that there's 36% left in there. Now what's interesting, it even kind of gives you a run time saying that you can grill for about 3 hours and 52 minutes. That's something that it's going to learn over time based on the size of your grill. But it's a great item, you know, especially for those that like to be connected and have all the latest gadgets. It's affordable, and what's unique about it too, if you don't want to use it with the app, it will also register just with the gauge here that you can take it off of Bluetooth. And right now, because it's communicating, you'll see the lights will kind of blink, but you can take it off of Bluetooth and it'll tell you what's on there based on the lights going across. So it doesn't have to be connected to your phone, but quite frankly, it's a lot more fun when it is. Ace is the helpful place.